Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today I will share with you USDN analysis from a fundamental and a technical perspective. So I'm going to share with you for what I'm looking for during these days. And what is the most important part, we are not going to take in consideration the interest rates or how the inflation numbers are performing so far for both the economies. What is very important is the daily chart that we are going to look at. From the current price movement, we may see that we are in this type of movement. We can see in different ways as W, X, Y, Z correction, or as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it doesn't matter. This is the way that I'm looking at this for the moment. Since the previous time we saw that the Bank of Japan said that we are going to intervene when the price will be at 145. They didn't take further steps here, and they reacted only when the price reached 150. From this point, from top to bottom, the price moved very aggressively here. It was nearly 290 pips down. On the daily chart, we can see this candle, it closed bearish as well, and later the price recovered again. However, they didn't make this public, they didn't accept many things here, but what is very important is that we already know that the Bank of Japan is already watching this price level now. It is not like it was before, like 145. For 150, we may see that the Bank of Japan already reacted the previous time, and probably we may see price reaction again. So if price is going to reach 150, we may see the Bank of Japan to dump the price from this point. Also, on the lower time frame, what is very important, the chart is showing to us that we have also another small count on the 4-hour chart. We have something similar here as a possible 5-wave count, 5th wave of a bigger 5th wave. These are the trading scenarios that I'm looking at so far, and here we have also the 3rd wave development here. The 5th wave is getting extended more at this point, and it is likely that probably we may have any type of double top pattern here, and the price may react. I'm looking at this. I'm looking in this perspective, considering that also the Bank of Japan may react very fast during these moments. Considering that USDM is already getting ready to test the top of the price, so it is getting ready to test 150 again, and probably it will create the same movement. If we are going to look at also during this candle here, during October 17th, so it was yesterday during midday, we may see also another strong price reaction. It moved down by 100 pips, and if you are going to check all the yen pairs chart, you will see that this candle is in all these charts. So this is making everything very interesting so far, and this is increasing the chances that we may see another bearish wave if the price is going to test 150 again. So this is the scenario that I'm looking at. However, we have to be careful, considering that we are talking about a very large pattern. If we are going to look at on a daily chart, we have to be careful because the price may increase further. What is very strange on this time frame, we may see also that it is taking this shape here, and it looks like that we may have a type of cup and a handle pattern. It can be possible this is a trend continuation pattern. So if we are going to see any aggressive movement, it can happen, then we may see strong sell-off close to 151.80. However, this is the worst scenario that I'm looking at so far. the one with the cup and the handle pattern. In my opinion, I think that the price should react close to 150. So it is likely that we may have as a minimum from this point a move down up to 170 pips, let's say, close to 148.30. It can be possible as a movement. And the maximum that we may have, considering that the price reacted in this way during the previous time, if the intervention will be in the same way, we may have 268 pips. On the daily chart, we can see that we have room for a big bearish movement. I think that on the daily chart the price should continue moving down further. So from this top, a minimum correction should be up to 138, but a normal correction or a normal movement should be up to the base of the bigger picture, that will be 148. However, the bigger movement that I'm looking at will not happen if the Bank of Japan will not make the changes on the yield curve. So we need the Bank of Japan to intervene in the market, and they should make the modification of the yield curve control. So they should change the yield interest rates as they promised before. So this is for the moment. Let's see what is going to happen. Minimum target up to this area here. If the Bank of Japan is going to be more aggressive this time, then we may also look for a possible structure target, let's say, and it makes sense. It is likely that the price may extend down further, and it can be also a movement up to 500 pips down. So let's see what is going to happen. Let's be conservative for this movement. The price is already close to 150, and probably we may see the Bank of Japan reacting during the Sydney session, or probably tomorrow during the opening of the London market. So I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. That's all for USDN from a technical perspective. This is an in-depth analysis. 150 and the 45 is not good anymore for to watch for this yield curve control here. So 150 is the one that the Bank of Japan is already watching, and I think that they will not let the price to move above this point. So thank you for watching again. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Bye bye.